Got the guys here, they've just come and they're commissioning me a brand new compressor. As you can see, they're there now, just installing it, and in a second we're going to fire it up. And then all I need is my aqua blast cabinet and we can start cooking. When you're ready, they're going to whack it on for me.
Just got drain smear away, Jeff.
Now, as far as I'm concerned, that's nice and quiet, that. 7.5 ABAC three-phase compressor. All I want now is my machines, and you can start coming. Get your parts clean. And there we go, Rich has just told me to show his jumper off. There you go. With a big smile on the face. It's looking good. The cabinets are waiting to be done. There's your ultrasonic tanks. That's where the other machines are going. All ready for the aqua blast cabinet, which comes next Friday. So all in all, people, it's looking good. Can't fault these guys really. All the way from Cambridge. Sad fact that I had to get somebody from down south, London way, to come up here because I couldn't get anybody reliable up our end. The main thing is they commissioned it, so they come set it all up, make sure it's all working, give you a guarantee. Bit of kit this. So if you keep checking the website, when I'm up and running, I'll let you all know on Facebook and the website. Thanks for watching. Cheers, people.